This is how to create a quick camera shake in Premiere Pro. First, go to the project panel, click New Item and create an adjustment layer. Click OK, then drag the adjustment layer onto your timeline above your clip. Next, search for Transform in the Effects panel and apply it to the adjustment layer. Move your playhead to where you want the shake to start and add position and scale keyframes. Move forward 2 frames, zoom in to around 120 and shift the position to the top left. Move forward another 2 frames and move it to the top right. Go forward 2 frames again and move it down. Another 2 frames, move it back to the top left. Finally, create a scale keyframe and then move forward 2 more frames and reset the position and scale. Increase the shutter angle to around 200 to add motion blur. You can tweak the keyframes however you like. This setup is just a good starting point.